If your wig looks obviously fake or just doesn't sit right, you might be making one of these 5 common wig mistakes, and trust me, they're ruining your overall look and confidence. But don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix each mistake today, so you can rock your wig with style and feel amazing every single time. The wrong wig cap size can ruin your look. Too tight causes headaches and breakage. Too loose means constant adjusting. Always measure your head before buying, and look for adjustable straps or elastic bands for a secure, comfortable fit. Obvious lace ruins the illusion. Match lace to your skin tone using tint sprays or foundation, and melt it with a hot comb or blow dryer for a seamless, natural hairline. A too perfect or overplucked hairline looks fake. Use tweezers to gently pluck for a soft, natural edge. Imperfection is key for realism. Neglecting wig care shortens its life. Detangle gently, wash with sulfate-free shampoo, and store on a stand to keep it fresh and beautiful. Not every wig suits every face. Choose styles that frame your features and boost your confidence. Experiment to find your perfect match. These fixes are simple, but they truly change everything about your wig game. Sometimes it's the smallest tweaks that make the biggest difference in how natural and flawless your wig looks. Don't underestimate the power of a good adjustment. Don't let basic mistakes ruin your slay or your confidence. With just a little know-how, you can step out looking polished and put together every single time. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe for more wig wisdom, and share this video with your favorite wig bae. Let's help everyone level up their look. Ever gone to brunch and prayed your lace wasn't lifting? We've all been there, hoping for the best in every selfie and group photo. And now, you don't have to go back. With these tips, you can walk into any room feeling secure and fabulous.